Welcome to the Offshore Solution Performance Feedback for May 2019. Global stock markets fell in May across all major regions. Investor nervousness over the outlook for global growth grew as US-China trade tensions increased. Government bond yields fell amid a move towards perceived safe havens. US equities were significantly weaker. Concerns that the trade disputes will damage global demand weighed on the energy sector, with the tech sector also weaker. The US administration blacklisted Chinese tech giant Huawei on security fears and said it will impose a new tariff of 5% on all Mexican imports in a bid to force Mexico's government to stem the flow of migrants entering the US across its southern border. The technology, energy and industrial sectors were among the weakest performance in May as investors became nervous about the prospects for global growth. Utilities, healthcare and consumer staples, while also lower, proved to be more resilient. The real estate sector outperformed. Eurozone equities declined. Industries sensitive to the trade environment such as autos and semiconductors fell sharply. Economic data generally remained lackluster. Emerging market equities also fell amid worries over trade and supply chain disruptions. Russia, Brazil and India outperformed. All global fund of funds are well ahead of their benchmarks over their minimum recommended investment periods. The Wealth Offshore Fund of Fund range generally had a challenging month. On the positive side, the Global Creator Fund of Fund delivered another strong month. However, all other dollar-denominated fund of funds underperformed their respective benchmarks. More aggressive managers in both the Global Moderate Fund of Fund and Global Flexible Fund of Fund underperformed as equity markets struggled, while managers with a more value-focused strategy underperformed more growth-orientated managers. The pound-denominated Global Preserver and Global Flexible Fund of Fund outperformed their benchmarks over the month. This performance was boosted as the pound weakened against the dollar, increasing pound returns on dollar-based assets. Long-term relative rankings remains good with top quartile performance from 5 of our 6 global fund of funds since inception. Global Flexible and Global Creator are ranked in the first quartile of the respective global peers over all periods greater than 1 month. The Global Preserver Fund of Fund is ranked in the first or second quartile for all periods greater than 1 month. The PSG Wealth Global Creator Fund of Fund had another strong month and has outperformed the broad market index, the MSCI World, over the last 5 years. Over the last 12 months, the fund of fund is 2.7% ahead of the MSCI World Index. 22 out of our 37 underlying managers outperformed the peer group average over the last month. On the qualitative risk radar for this month, we have the Schroders Global Multi-Asset Income and Schroders Global Multi-Asset Growth and Income. Both funds are on the radar due to manager changes. On the quantitative risk radar, we have the Schroders Global Multi-Asset Income Fund, BlackRock Global Allocation, Schroders Global Multi-Asset Growth and Income, Templeton Global Balanced, UBS Strategy Fund, and HSBC Global Strategic Dynamic. Thank you for attending this performance update. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.